this 5-spray mode new sprayer head for my camper has a very long hose that attaches to this 5-spray head for different sprays, and then also has a stop button, so it's just push button to stop it or pause it, which we all that have campers know why that's handy. But I definitely give this a 5 out of 5 for this handheld shower head, and the price is very reasonable comparatively speaking. Now from an installation perspective, takes nothing. Unscrew the old one, run it through the hose, and it does come with additional accessories that you can put here to hang it with, but you know, I don't need all that extra.
This is the shower head. Shit. Pretty good. Pretty nice. Pretty good, pretty good.
Has a nice long hose, and I'm going to put it on to show you the spray.
So there's a button that says stop. When you push the stop button, it goes. And then it pushes this button on the back that says nothing. That stops it. Push stop to go.